Evening traders, this is Brian here from BreakingOptions.com, and since we have a new day of the month tomorrow, September 1st, I wanted to go over the SPY chart with everybody and some possibilities of what can happen throughout the month. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe so you know when we have new videos coming out, and hit notifications so you're notified. Okay, so what has the SPY done? We know we've had that massive move from the June lows to the 200-day moving average, and we stopped there on the dime. Very technical, very played out, very calculated. Since then, we've had a down move, all the way down closing today to 395.18. I am actually a little surprised they weren't able to hold 400, but 395.18 is where we closed. A key level we have to watch is 389.75 these next, I would say, 5 trading days. If that support breaks, we're just in a down mode. You want to sell every rally, and we're probably going to reach the JP Morgan put wall by the end of the month or last week in the month. So we have to watch that level. That's their key collar. That's just the beginning of their put wall, guys. So you have to watch that level. I don't think that's not my base case. My base case is maybe we come down to this level and then bounce mid-month, as you can see here, September 15th, and then we retrace down. September is known to be a volatile month, and with the Fed raising rates and some other data points coming in, I do think it is to the downside. Now we also have to look at an upside target. So once we do find our bottom, we should reach this first resistance level, which is 413.39. That's 50% of this move, this first wave. That level will change until we find the bottom. This might not be the bottom, and we could go down tomorrow, we could go down the next day, and I will recalculate that bottom for you guys and update the video. Once we hit that level, we have to see if we can get past it. If we do, I do think we top out at 422.14 on this move. I give that a 20% chance of that playing out. My base case and case I'm going with as of now, this is leg A on an ABC pattern. Okay, so the way that works, here's our first leg. I'm assuming today was the bottom. We might have to change that assumption. Next, you get a retracement of 50% up, which is called your B wave. That would bring you to 413.39. Then you have a bunch of different routes you could hit. If you do 100%, which is the same length of the A wave on the C, that would bring you right here, 376.70. So that would be target 1 if this pattern plays out, which is my base case. Now, pattern 2, or part 2, would be 362.68, which is the 1382 Fibonacci level, which is another key level in this ABC pattern. And if we go full blown and get what I think would be the max movement in the next 30 days, we would get to the 1618, which would be target 3, 354.03. Kind of a logical place to be below the JP Morgan put wall, and would be a nasty way to end the month. But we do have QT, Fed raising rates, and the news cycle is not too good. I will update this video frequently on the SPY and other videos, so stay tuned and have a great start to the month.